Now finding of inverse for 3 by 3 matrix within few seconds. These are the tricks which I am going to explain. Now this is 3 by 3 matrix. For 2 by 2 matrix finding inverse, you can check one of my videos. 2 by 3 was very simple. 3 by 3 also simple, but you need to be very careful over here. This is what 3 by 3. Okay. Now this 3 by 3, we have this middle term. Okay. Now here this is what? This is our middle term. Or you can say here this is diagonal term. Okay. Now consider these 3. Okay. Now consider these 3. Now 3. Okay. If you go down over here, next to 3 is what? -2. Okay. Now if you want to go down over here, then you have to come over here like this. Okay. 3 down, -2 down, and 2 down, 3. Okay. A inverse we have is what? A inverse equals to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Now our aim is what? To find adjoint of A first, and then we'll find determinant of A. Okay. Now let's consider these 3. Okay. Now from down to 3 is what? We have -2, and then from -2, if I want to go the same, I'm operating what? Column wise. Okay. This column, 3 column wise. If I have to go down 3, from 3 to -2, then 2, and then 2 to what? 3. Okay. Then all these terms we have to write in a column way. Okay. These rows will transform to the column, because in adjoint we have to find minor and cofactor and then transpose. Okay. So now let's do one thing. These 3. Okay. We have to create a 4 by 4 matrix. This is 3 4 by 4 matrix. Now here 3, write 3, and then if I go down here, we have -2. Okay. Instead of this, I will write this. Okay. We have -2. Okay. And if I go, and then it become a 2, and then become what? 3. Okay. Now from 3 to go in the right. Okay. Now we have 0. Okay. Now from 0 to you go down here, we have 1, and then go here, and then we have -2, and go again 0. Okay. Now from 3 0, and then we have -1. Okay. We have -1 to 0, going down 0, and then 0 to what? 1, then 1 to -1. Okay. And then repeat the same. Okay. Repeat this same over here. Okay. 3 -2 2 3. Now it is of the form what? This is 3 by 3. Now it is what? 4 by 4. Okay. Now is equals to, now consider this. Now let's consider this. Okay. Now this 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. 3 into 1 is 3. Let's find out 3 into 1 minus this. Okay. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 0 is 0. Okay. Now here again, now this. Okay. Here 1 into 0 into 0 is 0, minus plus 1. Okay. Here we have 1. Okay. Here 0 into 0, and then minus 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now this is over, this matrix we have solved over here, this we have solved by now here. Okay. Now what we have is minus 1 into -2 is what? We have 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay. Now similarly you find this. Okay. You find this here. 2 minus 2 is what? Minus 2 to 4. Okay. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Now again you take this. Here 1 into 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 0. Okay. Then you take this. Here 0 minus plus -2. Here minus plus will be 2 plus 2. Similarly, you consider this. You consider this. Here 2 into 0 is what? 0. 6 2 is 3 2 is 6. Minus plus 6. again take this one. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2, minus 0. Again, if I consider this 3 minus minus plus is what? 3 plus 2 is 5. This is what? This is my adjoint. Okay. Now this is my adjoint. Okay. Now how to find determinant of A? Okay. Determinant of A is given by this into this, meaning 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus or minus, here we will get minus 2 to the 4. Okay, here is 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, therefore A inverse equals to, therefore this is the A inverse, because determinant of A is what? Become 1, which is not equal to 0. This is the requirement.